bound by a love for all humanity.
Am I really witnessing repeated scenes of exploitation, expropriation?
Selfless and enduring in the search for justice.
If you're going to shed blood because of our land, we will.
Visionaries who know no limits.
I believe a genuine future for Africa lies in unity.
Their courage and integrity speaks volumes.
The march towards freedom and justice is irreversible.
It requires an extra effort to bring about change.
Journey with us into the lives, work, and passion of 7 inspiring individuals who have left an indelible mark on the history of the African continent. In a new Mnet documentary series, Great Africans.
We are going forward.
Starts Sunday, 5 April at 6. Exclusive to Mnet, where magic lives.